Now this illustration deals with the ungrounded conductors. In accordance with NEC 310.6C as in car. Now in the illustration, the service equipment to the left is 480 volt, 277. We are routing a feeder over to a transformer, 480 volt, primary. We're tapping off of the secondary with transformer secondary conductors of 12208, routed to a panel board with a main. And then, of course, we have two circuits routed out of there, 208, 120 volt, and they terminate or pull through the square box that you see in the illustration with two circuits, 480 volt, 277 volt. So that means we have two circuits there of 277 volt with neutrals. So those two circuits have to be grouped with the neutral that they are associated with, as well as the two circuits, 120, 208 volt, has to be grouped with the neutral or neutrals that the 120 is associated with. And then notice it says each system conductor shall be identified by taping, tagging, or other approved means, which means other approved means has to be acceptable to the authority having jurisdiction. Then at the very bottom of both panel boards, means of identification shall be posted at each panel board. Then the note deals with multi-wire circuits. They shall be grouped and switched in accordance with 210.4, B as in boy, and D as in dog. And that's what this figure 8-10 is illustrating, is when we have voltages of different systems with different neutrals, and how do we identify them?